are back. We have a very special Supercar Saturdays this Saturday. We have a very special tribute to our dear friend Bill Hoffman. He will be missed. Absolutely tragic. He's a major player in the car scene in South Florida. We absolutely love you. Everyone who is involved in this car scene in South Florida knows Bill Hoffman. He has actually been a pioneer in this industry and opened up a lot of doors for a lot of us entertainers, a lot of us car enthusiasts.
Yeah, I just want to say, Bill, we're going to miss you, brother. We're doing this little reminiscence to Bill today here at Supercar Saturdays Florida. We're going to give this collage to him and to his family, his brothers and his sisters who are coming here today. So, Bill, we're going to miss you, bro.
It's August
At Supercar Saturdays Florida, out here at the shops of Pembroke Gardens.
We're here with the car you don't see every day, an electro-modded Porsche Targa. Can you tell us about your car?
It's difficult because I know too much information. You better ask and I will answer, because if I start talking, you will never shut me down.
Okay, deal. What possessed you to buy an electro-modded Porsche?
I'm not buying it, I'm building it.
You built this yourself?
Yeah, we have a factory, small factory, so I'm building this in series. We have 6 cars right now in the shop.
How long have you been working on this build for?
This car particularly about 2 years, but next car we'll build like in 4 months.
How long have you been working with electric cars?
3 years total.
3 years total?
Yes.
This looks absolutely stunning.
There's 2 battery packs, one in the front, one in the back. Completely custom suspension built. We're using Tesla drive unit. It's about 650 horsepower. This car has about 60 kilowatt battery pack, which gives about 200 miles of range. 0 to 60 with the good traction, 2.8 seconds plus minus.
Wow. So it's a
I never drive this car 100%. I'm scary about it, I tell you honestly. It's too light, it's too powerful, and with these tires it doesn't even hold. I just literally push, it spins.
beautiful. Thank you for sharing it with us today. Supercar Saturday, and behind me is a full carbon McLaren Senna. Check it out. What did you guys think of the event today?
Pretty cool. Really
He was
good.
like, no, he ran so fast.
It's okay. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, I haven't seen a few nice cars.
Yeah.
Cool to be here. Nice people, nice environment. Very hot.
Is this your first Supercar Saturday?
No, actually, it's my second.
Second. So you know this is the busiest we've ever been, but what is your favorite car here today?
I saw the last time Porsche 911 GT2 RS, and this is a GT3, so hopefully I'm gonna get in that one again.
Cool.
Let's
Awesome.
see that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. little bit about your car today?
Yeah, I just got the Bugatti Chiron about 10 months ago. I used it as a daily.
You daily drove the Chiron?
Yeah, there's a lot of scratches and dents all over, but I was like, it's worth it.
I think that's hands down the best thing I've ever heard a hypercar owner say before. So what do you think about the daily driving it?
Honestly, it's just like the maintenance is like, the main thing is if something breaks, it's like expect like 2-3 months of downtime, you know? Like the first day I bought it, the transmission went out and the car was out for about 3 months, you know?
Oh.
So that part gets a little annoying, but it's fun daily driving it.
Awesome. Do you mind if we take a look inside at the interior? You can have any Porsche you want as long as it's orange. What do you think of the event today?
We love it.
Is this your first Supercar Saturday?
No, definitely not.
So what's your favorite car that's here today that you don't normally get to see?
Basically, one I'm really looking for the AMG GTR.
Yeah.
I haven't seen none of that here yet.
No, I haven't seen one yet either, but I'm hopeful.
also looking for the AMG GTR, the Black Series. I'm surprised now here.
No, especially with all the hypercars we have out here today. It's surprising.
That's the
So,
only thing I see missing.
what's your favorite car?
That one?
Yeah, awesome. Thank you guys.
That one.
You did?
Yeah.
How long did you have it for?
2 years
Why'd you sell it?
total.
Oh,
I know, right?
I'm so sorry. Well, I guess it's time for a new one.
Yeah.
I think you guys deserve a new one. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Can you tell us a little bit about your F40 today?
Hi, yeah, this is a 1990 Euro F40. One of the things makes it special is it's about 300 pounds lighter than the U.S. cars, so it's a little bit faster, which we like. It's got only 7,000 miles on it. I do drive it occasionally. I'd love to look at it and just polish it.
How long have you owned it for so far?
I've actually had it. I've had it about 6 years. I was looking at it in the UK, and the pound was $1.48, and then Brexit hit, and the pound went to $1.21. So I flew over to the UK the next day and bought it.
How long have you wanted this car for? This is one of my favorite Ferraris of all time. Yes.
I've been following these, and they were always just kind of out of my reach. I would make an offer, and they would go 100 grand more, and finally I said I just had to pull the trigger. So, and it's doubled since then, so I can't complain.
And do you want to tell us about the ticket clinic a little bit today too?
I would, because it's actually intertwined with Ferraris. So I graduated law school, I did pretty well, and went to work for a big firm, and we got a nice bonus. Instead of buying a condo like I should have, I bought my first Ferrari. I got so many tickets I was about to lose my license, so I hit all the books and I found all these secret tricks, and I won my first half a dozen tickets that I had, started doing them for other guys in the office, and here we are now. We have 41 offices all across the country. So
I didn't realize it was that big, but that's awesome.
Yeah.
So, do you mind if we take a look inside?
not at all.
Awesome. Are you looking for the perfect his and hers Lamborghinis? Check out these custom matching spec Lamborghinis behind me. What do you guys think of the show today?
Love it. First time here, actually experiencing it. Definitely coming again.
Awesome. What's your favorite car here today so far?
I mean, I like the Lamborghini Hurricanes, the SVJs. Seeing the Bugatti in person actually driving, that's the best part.
So it's safe to say you'll come back next month? Absolutely. What about you? What did you think?
100%. I love it. I come every time. I bring my car, park, I walk. I love it. It's incredible here.
Awesome. Do you bring a car yourself?
I do. I have a Lamborghini.
Which one?
I have a Lamborghini Performante.
Beautiful. How long have you had that for?
About a year.
Awesome. Well, thank you for bringing it out, and thank you for coming out to the show.
You got it.
Tell us about your car today.
Yeah, it's a 1974 Land Rover Series 3. It's a diesel.
And you mentioned you have a few of these. Do you collect Land Rovers?
We import and refurbish and sell them. Yeah.
Awesome. Do you mind if we took a look inside?
For sure, yeah.
August has been filled with some of the most amazing cars we have ever seen at Supercar Saturday. Really, you can never tell what we're going to get, but behind me is an amazing car, a Porsche Carrera GT. Come check it out with me. The Porsche Carrera GT is a flagship car among Porsches. It's got a 5.7-liter V10 with a 0 to 60 time of 3.5 seconds, provided by 605 horsepower. Of course, it's rear-wheel drive, but more surprisingly, this seemingly large car weighs just over 3,000 pounds. While the value changes year to year, the general consensus on this car is that it retails for about $1 million or more. Can I ask you guys a quick question?
Sure.
What are your favorite cars here today?
Maybe a Lamborghini.
Which one?
I don't know. Definitely that R34. That's my dream.
McLaren.
Which one? You can say all of them.
Yeah, all of them.
More family here and some cousins some of them are still on their way trying to get in, but I just wanted to say thank you for everything that you've given to Bill over the years. He's been part of this community. I know he helped connect a lot of you, and we've seen hundreds and hundreds of great messages of support for Bill and kindness extended to him. He had a lot of medical issues that ended up catching up with him, but he just gave everything in life and gave everything to the people that were part of his community, and your friendships meant so much to him. And so we as our family thanks you guys for your support. This is his life, so we really wanted to kind of participate and come up and see all the things that he's helped to accomplish with the groups that he's helped to kind of spur and be participating with. And we're all just overwhelmed by the kindness and support we've gotten. So thank you all very much.
And ladies and gentlemen, before we go any further, I'd like to give just one moment of silence. So if we could do that, all of us really quick, and we can all think of wonderful thoughts for Mr. Bill Hoffman. Ladies and gentlemen, he was a living legacy. He was a pioneer. He's the man that before there was a Supercar Saturday, before there was a Boosted Bagel Bash, before there was a Cars and Coffee, before any of that, there was a Bill Hoffman. And ladies and gentlemen, one moment of silence. 1, 2, 3. And ladies and gentlemen, God bless you, Bill Hoffman. Ms. Olthoff, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming out to Supercar Saturdays.
So Phil, we made this for you to take with you. This collage with all his friends from all the supercars from Design Car Society. So I want you to have this to take to your family, for your family.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We love you, Bill. You will be missed.
Floyd, I think this has been one of the most successful Supercar Saturdays we've seen all year, and that's saying something because every month has been packed. What do you think?
And freaking same, and it's hot as hell. But no, hey man, F40, 2 Bugattis, Senna, Carrera GTs. The Corsorati guys came 87 deep. Man, it's a crazy day. We're about to head out to the Bentley Towers. Gil Diesel, I want to thank you, man, for doing lunch for us today for the fun run. Appreciate you, buddy.